So, hello friends of the French Foreign Legion, I am greeting you, long time no see, I'm glad to be back again. No coffee, no work here. Oh, it's quite hot this coffee. So, I'm really glad to be back again after a long time. I've been on my way during all these wars, war in Ukraine. Not physically there, but with a mindset there. And there's a time for everything. There's a time for the French Foreign Legion, and there's a time for family, time for private space, and there's a time for you folks. And the time for you folks is back now. I will focus more on this English channel because you deserve it. So when you go a little bit through my German clips in German language, it's a lot about problems we have in Germany, a lot about problems we have in Europe, a lot of Ukraine, war in Palestine, everything, And these things have had absolutely priority, of course, And as I told you, there's a time for everything. And I have something for you. You remember the last clip I put on here on this channel? It was about French Guiana. My life in the French Foreign Legion, French Guiana, And you know what happened? You will never imagine. I have been back in Guyana last year, 2023, September. I was there. I visited French Guiana after 38 years of absence, not being there. I was there again where the others don't go. Crazy. And I had a lot of stunning adventures. I met Narcisse. You know Narcisse. He's the best jungle instructor ever. Narcisse is not a legionnaire. He feels like a legionnaire. He thinks like a legionnaire. He talks like a legionnaire, but he is not. He is legionnaire in his soul. He's a civil man, Brazilian guy who worked for the CFE, for the Centre d'Entraînement Forêt Équatoriale, for the Jungle Fighting School. This is the Legion's Jungle Warfare School in French Guiana in Regina. And I met him again. Yes, and that was it. I met this old gentleman after 38 years not being there in French Guiana. And you know what? He is the kind of guy, you give a knife, you drop him out in the forest, in the jungle of French Guiana, and he will stay there. Not for 1 week, for 2 weeks, or for 1 year, his whole life. Because he was born in the jungle. The jungle is not his enemy. The jungle is his best friend. He knows everything about the forest, about the jungle, about animals, about dangers, everything, You know what I'm talking about. And I met this gentleman again. Great to be with him. And I also met the devil. Who is the devil? Exactly. The devil is Antonio Lopez. One of the best jungle warfare instructor the French Foreign Legion ever had. That's the point. So I have been there in French Guiana with two old friends, with Patrick and Thierry. We met our old regiment, so we was invited for the Fête de la Fourragère. I talked with a lot of officers, with a lot of NCOs, with a lot of legionnaires, of course. It's my old regiment. I met my old places. I've been there 38 years before. Crazy. Just stunning. And of course, I will make a resume for you guys, and I will start today. But wait a moment, guys. You know how it feels when you have been in French Guiana, young legionnaire, you have been in the forest in 1985, you had your best time of your life in the jungle, and you know how crazy it feels when you are back 30 years later, 38 years later, 40 years later. It's unbelievable when you're back in the jungle. All the odors, all the noises of the jungle, all the different facets of green, all the animals. It's crazy, it's stunning. This is my world as it was 38 years before. But before I take you with me, Back to French Guiana. One more thing, one more small resume. I met Narcisse. I was out there in the forest with him. I met Antonio Lopez, the devil of the jungle. I held an interview with him. I met my old regiment in Kourou, Camp du Commandant Forger. And of course, I visited the islands. I visited the Île de Salut, Saint Joseph, Royal, and the Diable, the Devil's Island. And all this for you. And we will start not later than now. My biggest adventure after 38 years having not seen French Guiana. Enjoy. So Leute, angekommen in Regina. Hinter mir ist der Fluss Aprouague. Eine Pirogue, Narcisse. Narcisse ist der Buschmeister. Er macht alle fertig und in einer Viertelstunde geht's los. Ah oui, après tous les gardes, c'est bon.
Regarde ici qui ça passe, que c'est cher. Les cher, c'est l'essence.
Ouais.
Ici, c'est 2,50 € la litre d'essence.
C'est cher ça?
Ah, ici?
La benoît c'est cher?
Non, l'essence.
L'essence? Attends, je paye l'essence, c'est clair.
Bon.
Tiens.
C'est pour nous manger ce soir.
C'est quoi? Du couac?
Riz.
Du riz.
Tu veux du couac?
T'as mangé, t'as fait du couac?
Du couac, pose là.
Pose là.
Il y a du couac là.
Ok. Mange du couac
Je
aussi.
donne l'eau.
Ouais.
On ne présente pas le plus glorieux régiment du monde. Depuis le célèbre combat de Cameron au Mexique, la Légion étrangère marche de son pas lent et formidable sur la route de l'épopée au rythme d'un refrain devenu légendaire. Honneur et fidélité, voici la Légion.
Ça filme.
Mais il y a le son. Ah oui, il y a le son.
Je ne pas parler du tout.
Il paraît que c'est pas bon.
Non,
Non, ben on est bien content de revoir nos anciens camarades. C'est avec grand plaisir qu'on vous reçoit.
Et là,
La famille reste la famille.
On est content d'être là.
Ouais. Ça fait toujours plaisir
Là, je me fais écraser par une voiture.
de retrouver les gens qu'on a côtoyés directement ou indirectement au sein du régiment pendant les mêmes années. Ça, c'est une bonne chose.
Et ça, c'est Thierry qui fait des photos parce qu'il n'a
C'est
pas
ça.
de tenue.
Non, je suis sous anonymat. Surtout.
Moi j'ai arrivé, c'était 3h50.
Ouais.
L'autre jour, putain, lui, il va arriver.
Moi je sais très bien quand tu ça passait par derrière aussi.
Oui, pas Joseph.
Oui, je crois.
Vers le claque là.
Ça te ressemble.
Oui, mais ça c'est leur truc, c'est merde. Nous on a fait le nôtre, terminé.
Quand il était beau gosse. Quand il était beau gosse.
C'est ça.
Mais oui, mais oui, c'est fini.
Tu crois quoi, toi?
On n'est plus des beaux gosses.